How to log into UHS Employee Portal. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in UHS Employee Portal and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down, navigate to this one website option, uhs.ehr.com. You will be directed to the login page. You can try to log into your account in the Safari browser, as this website works best in the Safari browser. Now over here, you'll find this username. Type in your username over here. Then click on next, and in the next page, you will need to type in your password. Once you type in your password, click on done. Just for that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option of first time user, create an account and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into UHS Employee Portal. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.